right now I am applying foundation with some moisturizer because that helps in keeping the skin moisturized. After putting it on my face and blending it with a beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm gonna use face powder so that everything sets on my face. Now I am putting on some eyeshadow. Okay, so I bought this big one to put on some glitter over my lids. Well, I don't know why it's not visible on the camera, like the glitters aren't. Oh, I did put eyeliner and now I'm putting on some blush. Actually not blush, it's lipstick, but whatever. Ignore my funny face because that should be ignored. And now I'm gonna put on some lipstick because that's my favorite part. Here I'm opening my hair to see how gorgeous I am, and the next clips are of me showing off my makeup, okay? On some jewelries, like that's a bracelet, and then I'm gonna put on some rings, yeah, because I love rings.
Would you come running if I called you and give me a helping hand? Would you come catch me if I fell down towards a bitter end? You wanna talk about it, you couldn't live without me. You know you had your chances over, so just go on. Don't care anymore. There's no more between you and me.
So guys, I came back right now, and today's day was kind of boring because we did not have puja in our house, but still we went out, had some good food, snacks actually, and yeah, that's basically how I spent this Saraswati Puja. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment down below. And yeah, tell me in the comment section how did you all spend your Saraswati Puja, and bye.